Steering groups play an important role within Norwegian infrastructural archaeology. In larger archaeological projects, a group of archaeologists with extensive professional knowledge and experience is appointed. Their main role is to follow up the academic plans and financial allocations of the projects. This week, Sotrasambandet had a visit from our steering group. Researchers from Oslo, Stavanger, Bergen and Lund visited us for 2 days. During the meetings and visits to the sites, the results from the last year's field season, as well as plans for the current season, were presented and discussed. Also, future strategies for post-excavational processes, including publishing and public outreach, were touched upon. Hands-on stone knapping mini-course was given to our archaeologists working with find cataloguing. With a better knowledge about exactly what is happening to the stone material while working it, and how different techniques leave different traces, it is much easier to catalogue lithics and classify these into different forms and subforms, as well as identify use wear and retouch.
Stay tuned every Friday for our weekly news update.